All right, here we go. Topps Museum Collection Football 6-box break number 8. Pick your teams, and these are the teams that you picked. Yeah, Bernie, sometimes you just got to let it catch up. Um, Depending on your internet connection and your computer, it can tend to lag behind a little bit. Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Man, I gotta fix this real quick. That is ridiculous. All right. What box do you think the frame's going to be in? One, two, three, 4, 5, or 6? Lap burn? I used to get lap burn. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we didn't hit it in the last half. We didn't hit the jumbo patch auto either. Jameis Winston, J.J. Watt, Alshon Jeffrey, Andrew Luck, and to 99, Jalen Strong, Texans. Marshall Falk, Ty Montgomery, Jeremy Hill, Melvin Gordon, Chargers, and Mariota 25. Nice patch for Chase Perring. They do use terrible photos of him. This is a photo shoot, man. 6 out of 99, C.J. Anderson, Mariota, Jamal Charles, Max Williams, and Jordan Matthews to 50. Little patch action for the Eagles. Mike Freshwater. Jeremy Hill, Adrian Peterson, Devin Smith, Emmett Smith, and Sean Mannion on card auto to 145 for LA Kings fan for life. Randall Cobb, Russell Wilson, Amir Abdullah, Blake Bortles, and Colts quad to 50. Andrew Luck, Marvin Harrison, T.Y. Hilton, and Philip Dorsett for NBL. LaShawn McCoy, Randall Cobb, C.J. Anderson, Dez Bryant, and Le'Veon Bell to 249. Justin Forsett to 60. AJ Green, Darrell Revis, Matt Jones, and Kevin White for the Bears. Two-color patch. Breaking JK on the Bears. Doral Green Beckham to 99. Golden Tate, Victor Cruz, Lawrence Taylor, Marcus Mariota for Chase Pairing. Boom. Yes. I like it too. It's nice. Nice touch. Whoever guessed the frame was going to be in this box was wrong. Unless it's a redemption. Leonard Williams, Arian Foster, Brett Favre, Demarius Thomas, and Bo Jackson to 199 for the Raiders. To 60, Marshawn Lynch, Justin Forsett, Amari Cooper, Rashad Perriman, and Duke Johnson, 11 out of 50. Nice Duke. Jake 834. Terry Bradshaw to 99. Terrell Davis, Eddie George, Kevin White, and Amari Cooper to 25. Oakland, Chase Pairing. Good God. Russell Wilson, Max Williams, Jamal Charles, Marcus Mariota. Look at that thing. Jeez, to 25. Patches on patches on patches. Chargers, Joe Bob-Mort, Melvin Gordon. Patches everywhere. JoJo calling a frame. Bernie Hammer calling a Rice. It's a bold move, Cotton. Andrew Luck, Marshall Falk, Des Bryant, Kelvin Benjamin, and Brashad Perriman, 3-color patch. Antonio Brown, Todd Gurley, Ben Roethlisberger, Teddy Bridgewater, and Rob Gronkowski to 50. To 60, Sammy Watkins, Tyler Lockett, John Elway, Teddy Bridgewater, Tim Brown. To 250, Chase Perry, killing it. Kelvin Johnson to 99, Jameis Winston, C.J. Anderson, Randall Cobb, and Emmanuel Sanders to 245 for the Broncos. The Hunter 40, no, JK34 with the Broncos. Laser, Blazer, Taser. Yeah, sure, you can call it again. Sorry, I don't ship empty boxes. I should have put that in the listing. Peyton Manning, Le'Veon Bell, DeMarco Murray, Devin Funchess, and Kevin White. Nice to 50. Tim Brown, Brandon Marshall, Kurt Warner, Kevin White, and Russell Wilson to 249. Yeah, you like the orange background? Copper. Marshawn Lynch to 25. DeAndre Hopkins, Tom Brady, Aaron Rodgers, and Todd Gurley. 10 out of 25, Todd Gurley sauce. Rams, LA Kings fan for life. Jeez, I guess this half is where it was at. Yeah, just need one more guy. Cold. Phillip Rivers to 99. Emmanuel Sanders, Tony Romo, Jordy Nelson, and oh shit, he did it. Andrew Luck, 14 out of 15, silver ink, silver frame. Told me 9 times he bought the Colts. NBL. Look at that bad boy. Sick. Very nice. Congratulations, buddy. Still not done. We still got a jumbo on-card relic to get. Jumbo on-card patch. I don't know. Those big fat Sharpie autos. You see them You seem grade 10 all the time. I don't really get it, but whatever. Todd Gurley, Calvin Johnson, Philip Dorsett, Eddie George, and Cam to 249. Redemption to 99, Kevin White, Leonard Williams, Tim Brown, Matthew Stafford, Museum Jumbo Patch Auto Gold. Save it. Matt Ryan, Luke Kuechly, Jalen Strong, Eddie Lacy, oh wow, Alshon Jeffrey, 3 out of 5 for the Bears. That's sick. Breaking JK. Bears did awesome. Dan Marino, Jordan Matthews, Patrick Peterson, Devontae Parker, Amir Abdullah to 50. And Todd Gurley. Damn. LA Kings fan for life. What a break. What a break. Nothing to random off. Thanks everybody for joining. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.